In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find your Smartsheet ID using the Smartsheet interface. This ID is important for automations, integrations, and connecting your sheet to other tools. So let's get straight into it. First, log into your Smartsheet account and open the sheet you're working with. Make sure you've opened the correct sheet because every sheet has its own unique ID. With your sheet open, go to the top menu and click File, then select Properties. If your layout shows a left toolbar instead, you can also click Sheet Actions and then Properties. Both options take you to the same window. A Properties box will appear, showing details about your sheet. In this window, look for Sheet ID. This is a unique combination of numbers that identifies your sheet inside Smartsheet. Once you see it, simply copy the sheet ID and save it wherever you need, maybe for an integration, an API setup, or automation rules. And that's it. You've found your Smartsheet ID in just a few clicks. It's a small detail, but it can make your workflows much smoother when you're connecting Smartsheet to other platforms. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a quick refresher.